go ahead and model this back portion back here. And it looks, if I had to guess, that it just butts up along the bottom of this sort of cylindrical shape here. There's no real indication as to where it actually goes, unless I'm horribly missing something. So we're just going to, again, assume that it goes along the bottom. So we are, what's that, 12? Well, that was for the center there. So what we're going to do is create a plane right here. I think I accidentally did that, left it there. We're going to click on the plane. I'm going to zoom in on this. For me, it's the right side plane. I'm going to offset that 35 divided by 2. It could be, what is that, 17.5 if you're looking for the midpoint. If you don't want to do math and you're lazy, 35.2 works perfectly. Enter, enter, and then suddenly I have a plane right there. Now what I can do is start a sketch, select that plane. I can go out here to the right, and I can draw that sort of silly shape out there. Get my arc tool. Arc, arc. Wait till I see the tangent symbol. Click. Escape my arc tool. I'm going to make this a construction line. Okay, it's a left click, right click, construction. Then I'm going to start adding some dimensions to this. I swipe back over here. I realize the outer round is 15, so a total of 30 units tall. 30. Wahoo! What? It seems way taller than does. Oh, round is 15. That's what I did wrong. All right, so I did make a mistake there. I was like, what's going on? So that's 15. We're not going to worry about the hole just yet. Not going to worry about those dimensions right there just yet. Not going to worry about that. The 35 we are concerned about. Now, what's frustrating about this in Onshape is I can't find a clear, easy way to get to the center of the cylinder. So we're going to go a roundabout way. I'm going to get the dimension tool. I'm going to select this line. I'm going to select this line over here. You can go at the top or the bottom. You can select the endpoint, the line itself, and I'm going to say this is 75 plus 35, because I don't feel like doing any math. I'm going to hit the enter button, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to move it the appropriate distance, that's 75 plus 35, to the center of that line. And we are set to go there with that just about. One thing we need to do is get a coincident constraint. This can be very helpful. If I can select this, it's not even going to let me grab that endpoint down there. Can we do the two lines? We can do the two lines. So I did the two lines, and it should work out for the most part A-okay. Let's try, and just real quick, let's see if it's going to let us do this. The midpoint, I'm going to select that point. I'm going to select... No, it's not letting me find that either. Kind of frustrating. Kind of frustrating. Should be fine regardless. But if you're really concerned, sorry, this is moving around quite a bit, you can go ahead, I don't think this would be a problem. If you dimension this line to this line and make this dimension 35, it'll prevent any problems in the future from arising. So we'll go 35 on that, and now we'll go green box. We'll go to the extrude. Whoops. It's thinking a little slow. Got something underneath my computer to help a little air get underneath. I think it's overheating a little. Extrude. going to select this object right here. And again, we want to do a second end depth. And for the dimensions, we want it to be 13 plus 13 plus 5. We're going to go sort of roundabout way with that. We're going to do 13 plus 2.5 for one of these, so we'll go the big one. Let's not do it actually. Let's go 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 divided by 2. I'm going to type in the exact same thing right down here, which is 15.5. We want to select that, so it's going out both ways. And that is going to be about perfect for us. So I'll go finish sketch. And that takes care of that section right over there. And we are getting closer and closer to being done. We've got the main sort of bulk of this mapped out. We'll do this triangular web or rib shape next.